Neener, neener. Neener, neener. Who's there? Julia, it's me. Oh! Hey! Hey! I'm so glad you're here! Okay. Your hair looks pretty today. I'm sorry, let's do some jumping jacks.
I hate jumping jacks! Exercise is a no-no!
Okay, why don't we just sit down then?
I'm so bored!
Julia? You scared me! Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Did you see that unicorn? Julia, there was no unicorn.